A new product will soon be launched on the market. It's the drum unit for the Konica Minolta Bizhub c224 color printer. I received a sample of such a drum unit, and today I will check how it is constructed and what parts were used in its production. This is not an original product, so I will check the manufacturer. The OPC Photoconductor Drum is new, but I will dismantle the casing and see what is underneath. Are all items new? Magnetic screws were used to screw the side casing on, which is a good sign. So far the cases are clean. Grease in places where it should be. After disassembly, the photosensitive drum turns out to be new. This is a good and well-known substitute that generates a very good prints and copies. The drum axis is lubricated with grease, exactly in the place required by the manufacturer. The next stage is to check the condition of the electrode. To do this, remove the side casing. This gives me access to the charging unit. The electrode is an expensive component, so sometimes manufacturers of alternative modules do not install a new electrode. However, in this case, everything indicates that the electrode is new. This is very good news for all users who plan to use such modules. I will now disassemble the drum cleaning blade to see if it is new. At the same time, I will have access to the cleaning space, so I can see how clean the unit. The cleaning blade is certainly new, so it will work perfectly with the new photosensitive drum. I'm a bit worried about the lack of spacers under the cleaning strip, but I know that this is a controversial issue because many manufacturers avoid installing these elements. Apparently the drum unit generates very good prints if there are no pads. However, the interior of the unit was cleaned very well. Now let's move on to the chip. The chip was installed with one small professional screw. It's very good that it wasn't glued, because it can always be replaced. It looks like professional work. Both disassembly and assembly were successful. New chip installed. I will now reinstall all the removed elements and check 3. I will not have any problems with it. Everything went well. This is very good news for both the importer and you, dear customers. I can say with full responsibility that after the expert review, Drum Unit DR512K is a very good product.